أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. إنا بلوناهم كما بلونا أصحاب الجنة إذ أقسموا ليصرمنها مصبحين ولا يستثنون فطاف عليها طائف من ربك وهم نائمون فأصبحت كالصريم فتنادوا مصبحين أن اغدوا على حرثكم إن كنتم صارمين فانطلقوا وهم يتخافتون ألا يدخلنها اليوم عليكم مسكين وغدوا على حرد قادرين فلما رأوها قالوا إنا لضالون بل نحن محرومون قال أوسطهم ألم أقل لكم لولا تسبحون قالوا سبحان ربنا إنا كنا ظالمين فأقبل بعضهم على بعض يتلاومون قالوا يا ويلنا إنا كنا طاغين عسى ربنا أن يبدلنا خيرا منها إنا إلى ربنا راغبون كذلك العذاب ولعذاب الآخرة أكبر لو كانوا يعلمون.
Indeed, we have tried them as we tried the companions of the garden when they swore to cut its fruit in the early morning, without making exception. So there came upon the garden an affliction from your Lord while they were asleep, and it became as though reaped. And they called one another at morning, saying, Go early to your crop if you would cut the fruit. So they set out, while lowering their voices, Let not a single indigent person break in upon you into the garden this day. And they went early in determination, assuming themselves able. But when they saw it, they said, Indeed, we are lost. Rather, we have been deprived. The most moderate of them said, Did I not say to you, Why do you not exalt Allah? They said, Exalted is our Lord. Indeed, we were wrongdoers. Then they approached one another, blaming each other. They said, Oh, woe to us, indeed we were transgressors, perhaps our Lord will substitute for us one better than it. Indeed, we are toward our Lord desirous. Such is the punishment of this world. And the punishment of the hereafter is greater, if they only knew.
وقالوا لولا نزل هذا القرآن على رجل من القريتين عظيم.
And they said, Why was this Quran not sent down upon a great man from one of the two cities?